Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. If you're an early S197 owner, then I'm sure you've already realized Ford has forgotten something essential for every modern day car, and that is your trunk button. In today's video, we're going to remedy this with this SHR trunk release kit. You can buy it off American Muscle, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so if we look, we hooked up our trunk button right here. Doesn't work because we don't have it hooked up yet. There's going to be two wires that come out. We have this one that has a hoop style already connected. This will go to ground. And then we have a black wire that we're going to run over to the passenger side. So we'll do that now. Okay, so if we look down here, to this wire right there, I just grounded it down there where the parking brake bolts up. There's that little screw sticking out, and that should work just fine. Now for this other wire, we're just going to run it underneath, and underneath here, and we're going to run it down from in here to down through here. Okay, so this is as far as they let you run it. So I'm guessing because the wire we got to get to is right here. So I'm guessing they wanted you to run it up here to your glove box and just put it like right up here somewhere. Okay, so to add wire, I just used a simple butt connector. I'm going to just run it through. So now then, we got it run behind these two brackets. We're just going to run it along where we ran our underglow lights, and we're just going to zip tie it to that wire just like we did over there. And we need to pull this panel off. Okay, so we got to zip tie it up. This one I'm leaving open because I think I'll be running another wire, and this one was hard to get in. Zip tied it there, and we'll zip tie it one more time. But for now, we need to take this off and this off. Okay, so to take this door sill plate off, just grab it, pull it up. It should come right off. For this, you just want to pull and grab, and just grab back here and also pull forward. There we go. So as you can see, I've actually already added a fuse right there, and we added a ground as well. So here's the harness that we need. We need the white with a pink stripe. Don't do pink with a white stripe. We'll just peel back a little bit of this tape and we will find it real quick. Just be careful not to cut any other wires. So if you look right here, we have a white wire with a pink stripe, and that's exactly what we want. Okay, so I'm going to use these right here. A lot of people hate them. I don't know why. They seem to work really well for me. If this isn't the way you like to do it, you can solder it on there. You can do however you choose. It doesn't matter. Okay, so if you see here, you'll just get it in here just like this, sitting in between those. So just put it in, close it up, take some pliers, there we go. Now then, we're going to cut off our extra wire. Okay, so coming over here to our trunk button, we'll just give it a try. And there we go, it works. Now we'll just go ahead and put everything back together. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.